we've got a lot of good stuff to unbox today. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm unboxing a ton of awesome stuff and 3 or possibly 4 pairs of sneakers. But before we actually jump into the unboxing, I want to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Sneaker Flea. Sneaker Flea is an awesome sneaker store based in Soho, New York, and back when I used to live in New York, I was there like every other day. But the reason they sponsored today's video is because they just dropped their monthly mystery box. And I've actually got 2 of them that they sent over for us to unbox. If you'd like to grab one of these mystery boxes, they're available right now on sneakerflea.com. I've left a link in the top of the description, and make sure to grab them quickly because they sell out really fast. So inside each mystery box, you're actually guaranteed to get 2 items whose value actually add up to the same price, if not more, than what you paid for the mystery box. But some mystery boxes actually have golden tickets, which allow you to redeem the item written on the golden ticket at Sneaker Flea. And this month's grand prize is by far the craziest one they've ever done. It's actually the entire set of Nike Air Yeezy 2s. It's insane. So why don't we just open up these mystery boxes and see what you actually get inside. So apparently inside each mystery box, you're guaranteed a combination of 2 different shirts. They have Antisocial Social Club, Bape, and I believe Revenge. And the first shirt that we've got inside this box says City Morgue? Oh no way, it's Revenge. And then the second item inside the box is I got a golden ticket. It's not real, unfortunately. But I wish it was because it's the entire Nike Air Yeezy collection. Whew, that's crazy. Okay. Man, you're killing me, Sneaker Flea. I know this is just for promo, but that would be sick if I won. But this is what a golden ticket will look like, or maybe it'll be gold. I don't know, but unfortunately, it's not real for me, but that's fine. So the shirt that they sent over looks like another Revenge shirt. That's awesome. Okay, let's move on to the second and final mystery box from Sneaker Flea. So here we go. Okay, so inside this mystery box, we've actually got a shirt in a bag. What shirt is this? Oh, this is their Antisocial Social Club Gallery collab. And then the final shirt is, oh man, another golden ticket. Nike Off-White Blazer, Deserts. Very cool. Man, I'm so jealous of you guys. That's sick. In loving memory, Steven Yams Rodriguez. Rest in peace. Oh, this is actually a really dope shirt. I love this. So to fill you guys in on some of the other golden ticket items that aren't the Nike Air Yeezy 2 collection, which again, crazy, you can also win Off-White Jordan 5s, Off-White Jordan 4s, Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s, Air Max Sean Witherspoons, any Yeezy sneakers, Supreme Box logo t-shirts, and Off-White clothing and accessories. So even if you don't win the crazy Nike Air Yeezy 2 collection, there's still a lot of stuff that you can win. But like I said, if you would like to check out Sneaker Flea's mystery boxes for yourself, I've left a link in the top of the description. But now let's move on to some sneakers. And I'm not exactly sure where to start because we've got so many different sneaker boxes here, but I think I'm gonna go with the one on the bottom. And I don't have scissors. I never have scissors when I need scissors. So I'm packing up my studio because I'm moving in the next couple days, and I guess I packed up the scissors and they're somewhere in the house. I don't know where, they're in a box somewhere, but they're not here. So I guess we're just gonna go at it with bare hand strength because I have a lot of that. That actually worked. I'm surprised at myself. Okay, cool. No, it didn't. Didn't work. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Yo. No way. So this is a package that is apparently from Reebok. Now the reason I know that is because I saw Tony D2 Wild's video where he unboxed, I'm assuming this pair or a pair similar to these. This is their Halloween collection, or a sneaker from their Halloween collection. You've got a skull on the front, and then, or at the bottom, I'm not exactly sure which side that is. And then you've got a jack-o'-lantern on the other side. So this is a pair of Question mids. Nice. Allen Iverson's my favorite basketball player after Michael Jordan, but he's up there. And so let's pop this box open, see what we've got. Of course, first thing out of the box, we've got a note that says, "Ankles beware. This question mid hides a surprise that'll leave you crossed up. Underneath the surface of this question mid, the ankle reaper hides his true colors." Oh, you can cut off the outer layer. That's sick. I don't have scissors. That's frustrating. Okay, well, I'll do it in an Instagram post, so make sure to give me a follow on Instagram at RealSethFowler and on Twitter at RealSethFowler so you guys can see me cut the top of the shoe off. But wow, even with the top still on it, even with the canvas covering up the design, it's still a sick looking shoe. I love the Question mid. I really do. So this Reebok Question mid is covered in a very light tan canvas material, which you can cut off to reveal a really cool design underneath. I'll show you guys a picture of it really quickly. Right there. And the whole idea or theme of this shoe is the fact that this is for ankle breakers or ankle killers, I guess. And it says ANK on one side of the heel and then LES on the other side for ankles, which is pretty cool. Of course, they're in gravestone, so dead ankles, broken ankles, I don't know, but you get the idea. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this shoe is actually fire. I don't know if I'm gonna cut off the upper because I feel like it just looks so clean like this. Man, I really feel like I should cut the upper off, even though I just love the way the sneaker looks with it on. Okay, do I have any scissors or anything? That might actually work. Packing tape. Man, I don't want to do it to the toe of the sneaker because, I don't know, it's going to be so visible if I screw it up. Let's just try it on the back, I guess. Here we go. This is the most insane thing I've ever done in my entire life. There we go. Uh-oh. Here we go. We're just trying to get this one corner here. There we go. Perfect, 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 perfect. Oh, that's actually sick. That actually looks really sick. So underneath the canvas, you've got a really cool design, which I'm not going to be able to uncover all of it just because of how difficult that actually was to use tape to cut off the top, but it gives the shoe a really cool look, and I think what I'm actually going to do is start slowly cutting around the shoe itself and not leave the entire thing uncovered, but leave parts of it uncovered, because I think it's going to look really sick. Actually, you know what I might do? I might just do one shoe and then leave the other shoe covered. That would be a really cool look. I'm going to do the toe. Again, bare strength, man. Bare hand strength. Well, I got part of it off. So there you go. That's what the toe looks like with some of the material ripped off. It's definitely going to be a cool look, and I think I'm going to go at it again with an X-Acto knife because then I can really cut where I want to cut and not just have this crazy ripped up look. But such a cool concept. Huge thank you to Reebok for sending this shoe over. I love Allen Iverson, so huge thank you to Reebok for these. I'm stoked on these, and I will be wearing these probably for Halloween, unless I get some other Halloween-themed sneakers, which I don't think I will. I think this is going to be my Halloween rock, so stoked to rock these. Very cool. Okay, so the next box that I'm going to unbox is from one of my favorite brands in the world right now, and that's New Balance. As you can tell by this giant New Balance logo on the front of the box. This is the box that I'm not sure if there's two pairs in here or just one because it's very heavy for a one shoe box. So I'm assuming there's got to be more than one in here. That's actually kind of ironic, using tape to cut tape. I don't know, that's dumb. Never mind. It's so dumb. I hate this. Well, this box is destroyed, so that kind of sucks. Ooh, two pairs of sneakers. Let's pull out the first pair of sneakers. So as you can see, we've got a New Balance box, which you saw on the outside of the packaging, so you knew this was New Balance. You've got the size tag right there, size 9. And let's pop the top of this guy and see what they sent over. Ooh. Oh, this is their Jolly Rancher collab. Got it. Oh, this is pretty cool. It says Kawhi Leonard and the Jolly Rancher dudes hanging out around his name right there at the top. Does it say Jolly Rancher on the other side? No, it still says Kawhi Leonard. So this is the New Balance 480, and this is from the Kawhi Leonard Jolly Rancher New Balance collaboration. Now the reason New Balance collaborated with Jolly Rancher is because Jolly Rancher is Kawhi Leonard's favorite candy. I know, he doesn't say much, but he does enjoy some good Jolly Ranchers. It's funny that like one of the only things that we know about Kawhi Leonard's personal life is that he loves Jolly Ranchers, and it's only because of his sneaker collab. But it's awesome, man. So this is the 480, I believe. It comes in this really nice white leather. You've got the New Balance logo right there on the lateral side with this interesting blue and lighter blue sort of border around it. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, you've got the Jolly Rancher Kawhi Leonard logo right there on the tongue. And it looks like the insole of the sneaker, in addition to being ortholite, also has the Jolly Rancher logo on it, which is really cool. I really dig that. But then surprisingly, my favorite part of the shoe is actually the outsole. It's this Jolly Rancher themed outsole. You've got blue for blue raspberry, grape, probably watermelon, but hopefully cherry because I like cherry better. And then you've got green for green apple. It's a really interesting looking sneaker. It took a very simple shoe and made it wild looking, which I'm into. So you've got New Balance written on the back as well with this really interesting sort of dripping or bubbly logo or bubbly text, I guess. Nice. Huge thank you to New Balance for the 480s. I really appreciate it. These are wild and I can't wait to rock these. So definitely putting these in the closet, the space. What do I call it now? It's a new studio, so I don't know what to call the sneaker box area. Probably just the sneaker box area. They're going in the sneaker box area. So the next pair of New Balances inside the box is actually a pair that I'm really excited about, a pair I've been looking forward to. This is a pair of 327s. Let's pop the top on this guy. You may have already seen people rocking these because they actually sent these to me a couple days ago and I just didn't want to open them because I didn't want to ruin the unboxing for myself. But I've seen people rock these, so I know what they look like, unfortunately. But here we go. The New Balance 327 Jolly Ranchers. These really should be called the Jolly Rancher Blue Raspberry New Balance 327s. Because they're really a blue raspberry, green apple New Balance. I don't know. This is definitely an interesting looking sneaker. I love the 327. It's a really excellent silhouette and it's relatively inexpensive, especially if you buy one of the normal pairs. The regular one is definitely under $100, which is kind of crazy when you think of like hyped up sneakers. But man, this shoe is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you guys either. My mouth is watering like crazy. I wish they had sent through some Jolly Ranchers. Might have gone bad in the mail, but you know, I would have loved some right now. So this Jolly Rancher New Balance 327 comes in a couple different shades of blue. You've got this really nice dark blue on the base, then you've got a slightly lighter shade of blue on the suede, and then you've also got this really interesting glossy New Balance logo, which actually looks like Jolly Rancher. I mean, straight up, that looks like a... Man, I'm getting so hungry, dude. The tongue of this 327 comes in blue. You've got the New Balance logo in yellow. And then, of course, on the back of the tag, you've got the intelligent choice written, which is one of my favorite details on the 327. If you don't love the blue laces or the way that they really kind of fade into the upper of the shoe, you can actually switch them out with yellow laces, which New Balance does provide for you. I think I might actually do that because... I don't know, I feel like it'd be a nice contrast in the upper of the shoe. Something kind of funny that I just noticed is that on the medial side of the shoe, instead of a New Balance logo, you've got a couple of Jolly Rancher guys hiding right down there at the bottom. Nice little hidden Jolly Rancher touch, which I love. Of course, you got the New Balance logo right there in yellow. And then you've also got the Jolly Rancher insole, like you had on the other pair. Very cool. And then like I mentioned before, you've got this green apple outsole, which I think looks really great and contrasts the upper of the shoe really nicely. It also reminds me a lot of Green Apple Jolly Ranchers. This shoe is killing me, man. Guys, I love you guys. I love you, New Balance. You guys are like my favorite sneaker brand right now, but guys, this shoe is too much. I'm getting like really hungry. Huge thank you once again to New Balance for sending over this awesome care package. I love these 327s. They look great. Now let's move on to the next pair of sneakers. Okay, and then the final box, which we are unboxing today, this is a package that I believe is from Adidas. Now, to be honest with you guys, they didn't tell me this was coming at all. I mean, I guess neither did Reebok, but Adidas didn't tell me this was coming. I don't know what to expect. They've been setting a lot of Pharrells recently, which has been great. I love it. I'm kind of hoping it's another pair of Pharrells, but I don't know. I don't want to get too excited. There we go. This is ridiculous. I'm going to rip open the whole box, apparently. So let's just pop open the top and see what we've got. Nice. It is a pair of Pharrells. It is a pair of Pharrells. Shout out to Adidas. Okay, it does have a tag. Okay, so this one might not be a sample. This would be the first pair that's not a sample that they've sent to me in a little bit. A little bit of a humble brag right there, but that means I could actually wear it. I haven't worn the samples because I've been too nervous. I kind of want to get like a retail pair of those pairs so that I can actually wear them. The samples that Adidas sent, I have to like put in a case or something because that's crazy. So I'm actually kind of relieved to see that this isn't a sample, or I'm assuming it's not a sample because it's got the retail tag on the front. Oh, no way. Yo, this is crazy. Before we actually get to the sneakers themselves, there is a note, so let me read the note to you guys really quick. It says, for the third Pharrell Williams Human Race NMD sneaker drop this season, Pharrell and Adidas present a monochromatic yellow colorway. It features a yellow knitted upper, a tonal stitched graphic which reads Human Race in Hindi, and a yellow midsole and black accents. Enjoy. Huge shout out to Adidas for this. This is crazy. Huge shout out to Pharrell too, although I don't think he personally sent it to me, but thank you, Pharrell, for making this awesome sneaker. Let's pull it out. Oh, this is crazy. This is a crazy looking pair of sneakers. This is wild. I love this. So, like you heard in the note, this is the upcoming Pharrell Human Race NMD in bright yellow. It features Human Race written on the top of the shoe in Hindi. I actually love when they use Hindi on the shoe because I think Hindi is a really beautiful script. Unlike some of the previous Pharrells that they sent over, I've actually seen leaks of this shoe, so it's not a complete total surprise, which is fine because I still think this colorway is dope. I love the fact that it's this just total monochromatic yellow. It's absolutely insane. So in the note, they said that the upper of this NMD is made up of knit, and it really seems very similar to the knit that they used on the original Pharrell Human Race NMDs. Even that yellow pair, like the very first yellow pair, I love the way that feels. Of course, the boost comes in yellow, which is kind of wild. And then you've also got the yellow NMD plugs and the yellow midfoot cage, as well as your yellow laces. That's kind of interesting. So the other set of laces that come with the shoe is also a set of yellow laces. It's just a slightly different shade of yellow, which is actually kind of cool. I might actually switch it out because I think I like this darker shade a little bit better. Of course, the main accent detail on the shoe is the black sock liner and the black piping around the top of the ankle. Pretty into that. I think that's a nice touch. Kind of has Steelers vibes to it. which I'm not as big of a fan of, but the Ravens are going to beat the Steelers on Sunday, so I'm not even worried about it. So I'll rock the hell out of this shoe regardless. I've said this a couple times before, but I really feel like Pharrell and Adidas have finally once again hit their stride with these Pharrell Human Race NMD drops. Each one of these drops has been awesome. I've been stoked about every single one, and I'm really grateful to Adidas for sending these over. I really appreciate that. So thank you everyone over at Adidas. This is a wild shoe. I'm into it. As of right now, there is no official release date yet for this sneaker, but usually when they send over a pair of sneakers like this, it drops within like the next 2 weeks. So I would assume that this shoe is dropping sometime in early November, but I don't know for sure. But guys, that pretty much wraps up this insane sneaker unboxing for today. Huge thank you once again to Sneaker Flea for sponsoring today's video. If you guys would like to check out the Sneaker Flea mystery box for yourself, make sure to click the link in the top of the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next. Ow. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that.